Good morning, it's Peter Boulton. Well, how lucky and fortunate do I feel this morning? A couple of weeks ago we booked to play golf, a friend of mine and myself, and we've turned up today with the glorious weather and sunshine this morning in a rainy November that we've had so far. So I'm really looking forward to that. And I guess lucky and fortunate also because, we both work for ourselves, we run our own businesses, and running your own business gives you the opportunity to be flexible with your time, of course. We get to choose that we can work when, how and where we want to. And being able to do that really gives us flexibility. So we've got an early morning start, teeing off in about 10 minutes time. So we're just gone, 7:30 now in the morning, and we'll enjoy hopefully 18 holes of golf before the weather closes in, have a nice bit of lunch, and then we can get to do some work, do some business this afternoon. So just thought I'd share that with you. If you like the idea of working for yourself, and particularly running an online business, which gives you that flexibility to spend the time working when you want to, then have a look at my website. It's peterbolton.com. I'll put the website address on the bottom of this video. But there's a free video workshop available on my website, presented by a man called Stuart Ross, who is a multi-millionaire. He's built his business around helping other businesses to improve their marketing, their ability to generate sales inquiries for their businesses. And what he does really through this business, which I'm part of, is we enable other people, other businesses to learn how to do their own marketing, how to generate their own sales inquiries without necessarily employing other people to do that for us. So if any of that sounds of interest and you'd like to get involved, by offering those services into the market, I earn a commission because people buy those products and services, and it generates a very nice income for me, which enables me to be able to spend the time doing, working when I want to, when I want to, how I want to, and that includes taking time out for myself to do things like playing golf. Anyway, I'll let you get on with your day. Take care.